Hello, welcome to another microbit video from me, Mr. Morrison. Today we are going to create a tinfoil electronics operation game. So if I try and get this out and I go like this, oops, I've hit the side. Let's have a try at creating this. So to create our operation board, we're going to need these materials here. So for our operational board, I've got a template here. You may want to draw your own person, but sometimes a template is easier. And we want to create some places for our little parts that we're removing from the body to be. So say I could have something being removed from his leg here, something thin there. I could have a different shaped one being removed from this leg. I could have a kind of circular shaped one up here, and then maybe one more here. Okay, so this is what we're going to need to cut out of our man. But first, I would suggest sticking your man to a bit of thicker cardboard so we've got a nice solid base for our structure. So once you've stuck your man to card, I would suggest that you don't cut out the whole thing. You want to have a game board, and then we want to cut out these bits in here. So possibly just poking a pen carefully through is the best way to start that, to cut them out. So I'm going to cut them out just now. So now that I've got some holes, I'm going to need to use some tin foil to make these into a circuit that will beep when we hit the edges. So we could do this from the back, and I could attach a big bit of tin foil to the back. So I could sellotape this on here, let's sellotape it to the bottom like that, and then I'm going to start to pop these through on this side so that we have holes that have the edges are tin foil. So I'm going to do that and I'll join you in a second. So now I have attached the tin foil, so it looks like that on the back and here on the front. It needs to have a connection across all of them because we are going to connect our crocodile clip somewhere onto this. So I'm going to just connect it onto the back like that. So it should be connected to all the tin foil if it's connected there. So when I turn it over, I am going to then build my little things. You could make them out of clay or anything like that. And I can put them inside like this. And the last thing we need to do is connect up the microbit. So the microbit, we're going to have the circuit is going to be on pin 0, and then the other pin is going to go to ground. So ground, and then this is going to be what we're going to use to pick up our objects. Now, if you do have tweezers, you could attach the metal tweezers to this, but I don't have tweezers, so I'm just going to use this, and I'm picking up my things. So now we need to code this to make some noises while we're doing that. So the code for our operation game starts like this. So we don't need the on start, we just need the forever. And we're going to have a if else loop. So quite a simple if else loop. The if else is going to be if pin 0 is pressed, which will be where the circuit's connected. If it's pressed, then something will happen. It'll be angry. So let's find an input. There should be one that says if pin 0 is pressed. So we'll drop that in. If pin 0 is pressed, then we're going to show an icon, and we'll show that icon as angry. I think that's kind of a skull. That could be the angry one. Then I would go into music because I want an alarm. I'm just going to leave it at that. You could change what the alarm is. And I'm also putting in a pause so that stays on the screen for a length of time. Let's make it 1 second. It's enough. And then, so if that's when the pin is pressed, that's happening. Just so you know, the pin's not being pressed and it's all working, I'm going to have a heart. And I can test that here, and it should work. There we are. So now I have my working game. So you'll notice if I hit the edges, it beeps. But if I try and pick something out, it should not beep unless I hit the edges. So there you go. So to make the game more complicated, I'm going to add in lives. So you get a life taken away each time you hit the side, and if you hit it 3 times, then it says game over. So to do this, we'll keep what we already have, and we're going to go into basic and we're going to have a start. So we need to add a variable, and we're going to make a variable called score. Oh, let's spell it right, score. And we're going to set the score to 0 when we start the game. And then we're going to add in another if-else statement. And what we'll do is we'll put this on top, and we're going to put the other if statement within the if part of the statement. And we're going to add in a command here. So in here, we're going to get the greater than or less than symbol here, and we'll say 3 in one side, and then we'll go to variable, find score. So this is now saying if the score is less than 3, then do this, else do something else. So if it's less than 3, it is going to be fine, but if it's more than 3, then it'll do something else. Let's add in the something else to start off with. So we'll play sad. How about, let's find the melody for sad. So play melody, and we could find the sad one, or the sound effect sad maybe. So if I go into here, play here, sad, you could add something else as the end thing. Let's have a game over, so that's just going to be a string that says game over. And finally, we'll add in a pause and set that to say 5 seconds. There's one last thing we need to do. So if we've set the score to 0, we need a way in which the score is changing. So each time we get the pin 0 pressed, we want the score to increase by 1. So I'm going to put the increase by 1 in there. And we also, once the game's over, we want it to reset to 0. So if we set the score to 0, that's going to reset the game. And that is our more complicated game. Let's have a look what it looks like on the microbit. So let's see this updated game in action. So if I try and pick up this one, oops, I've hit it that time. Oops, I've hit it again, that's my second life. Oh, there's my third life. There's a sound effect, and it's saying game over. So, have fun with your operation game.